Good morning, guys. Day 2 in Idaho. As you guys can see, I'm in the same hotel as the last time. Look at this. I got the beautiful pool here. There's also a hot tub as well as breakfast from the last time. They have a huge menu here. So today's itinerary, we're gonna enjoy Twin Falls with the bridge walk in the morning of the Snake River Canyon. And then we're gonna go and head out to City of Rocks, get some amazing footage there, and visit Castle Rocks as well as Teepee Rocks. So it's gonna be an epic day of traveling.
Twin Falls, Idaho is home to numerous attractions and natural waterfalls. When I first visited this area in November of 2023, I couldn't believe how many activities were nearby. Within the Snake River Canyon, which cuts through southern Idaho, ancient spring water flows through volcanic rock, exposing the beauty of this canyon. In today's video, we will return to Perrine Coulee Falls, just minutes away from our hotel. This majestic display of water allows visitors to walk behind the falls, which is the perfect way to cool off on a hot summer day. This 200-foot tall waterfall is easily accessible off of Canyon Springs Road. You will find several overlooks near the falls with panoramic views of the Snake River Canyon, as well as nearby golf courses. After spending time enjoying the tranquility of the falls, we then traveled to our second morning stop. In November, I did not have the opportunity to stop at the visitor center within the heart of Twin Falls. This unique structure houses numerous exhibits showcasing the history of this diverse region, state park and national forest information, Idaho-themed apparel, and the largest selection of souvenirs I witnessed in the Gem State. The Visitor Center features a well-constructed overlook outside with views of the Perrine Memorial Bridge, an icon of this region. I hope you have the opportunity to visit this beautiful city in southern Idaho.
Alright guys, we decided to do a quick little detour to Perrine Coulee Falls, part 2. And the sun is hitting it beautifully today. There it is. Yeah, look.
A lot harder than it was in November.
Oh my god. Oh man. Look at this. Flowing beautifully. Oh, it is so great to be back. Isn't this amazing?
Better than when you were here last time, man.
I know. It's like we're in Iceland or something. Isn't this awesome, man? Watch your step over here. Oh, this is amazing, guys. Oh man,
The perspective.
isn't that amazing? What a beautiful waterfall, guys. Just as impressive as last time. All right, guys, we're gonna go back. One last view of this beautiful waterfall. Look at all these rocks. Oh my God. So beautiful. All right, guys, our second stop for today is going to be the Twin Falls Visitor Center here. It's a beautiful building I didn't get to visit the last time, and they actually open at 9 o'clock and it's 8 a.m. So we're gonna have to come back here later in the evening. But I just want to show you what it looks like. It's a beautiful place. They have a lot of different Idaho-themed shirts and stuff, as you can see. And here's the business hours.
What time does it say, 9?
Oh, it says Monday 8 to 7, Sunday 9 to 6. Look at that old stagecoach. That is so beautiful. Such a cool place, guys. And then over here is where they do the they're getting ready to do the tandem base jumping, which is pretty cool. I want to go over here and show them that scale model.
You see Idaho in the trash cans?
Oh yeah. Over here, guys, they have some other stuff. Oh, they have cups, Dad. I gotta get a souvenir mug. You guys could see Idaho, it says, is number 3 in the nation in milk producing. That's pretty cool. And here's a scale model of the Perrine Bridge. Look at that. Actually, I'm gonna go on this side so I don't get the sun. So I don't get the shadows, you guys can see. That is so cool. All right, guys, here's the visitor center. How beautiful is this? Jeez. There's City of Rocks, where we're gonna be in a little bit. This is so cool. There's Minnetonka National Historic Sites, the largest Japanese internment camp from World War II. So amazing. Look at, you could rent some e-bikes here. And then here's the historic Perrine stagecoach. Beautiful. Wow, is that nice? That is so sweet. You could see IB Perrine is in this picture here. Amazing. Oh, look at this stuff. This is so cool, man.
Look at this.
I know. It's beautiful. Jeez, I gotta take a picture of that. Here's all the scenic byways, guys. We did this one yesterday. We're gonna do this one today. And then this is later in the week, the Sawtooth Scenic Byway. So freaking cool here. See, this is what it looks like over by Pillar Falls at the bottom of the Snake River. It has like this beautiful formations.
Oh, yeah, that's so nice.
We're gonna go do that one day too. They have literally every mug. Everything you could think of here. So when you guys check out Twin Falls, you definitely have to stop here. Kind of little shot glasses and stuff. It's so beautiful. Huckleberry brownie mix, that sounds cool. It's a really well done visitor center. Here we go, there's the bridge. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Cool. There's a little spot up here they're rebuilding. Here's the base jumpers where they meet. It says base jumpers enjoy the Perrine Bridge as their launching pad for parachuting right into the Snake River Canyon. Hopefully we'll get some video of that later on. Show you guys.
Some people were shooting up.
Yeah. Look at that though. Look at that view. It is just beautiful here. Oh, here they go. They're over here. There's all the base jumpers meeting under the bridge. Kind of cool, guys, checking this out. I wasn't on this side the last time. I was on the other side of the bridge. Yeah, I know. Yeah. You used to be able to go over here, but they're rebuilding the stone wall. Alright guys, you can see there's that one statue back over there I saw previously. The canyon's way greener than when I was here though. It's beautiful. There's my dad over there, sitting on the edge of a rock face. It's absolutely crazy.
My father was daring enough to walk the entire length of the Perrine Bridge. Standing at 486 feet above the Snake River, this engineering feat spans the width of the canyon over 1,500 feet long. The bridge's construction began in 1926 and has become a tourist destination in recent years for base jumping. Unfortunately, there were no jumpers during our visit due to high winds. The bridge is named after the founder of Twin Falls, Ira B. Perrine.
Okay, I've successfully crossed the Perrine Coulee Bridge.
Thank you for watching our morning excursion within Twin Falls, Idaho, a truly unique city of waterfalls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.